Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are good, fit, and fine. Welcome to your social studies online class. I'm your social studies teacher, Ralvina Gill. As in our last videos, we have discussed all the topics of chapter number 9 related to major landforms and water bodies. So, today we are going to discuss chapter number 9 major landform and water bodies exercises and question answers. So I request you all to open your social studies books and social studies copy. So let us start. First exercise is choose the correct option to answer the following questions correctly. First one is the largest land masses are called. Options are given there: continents, plateaus, island. And the correct one is continents. The largest land masses are called continents. White continents. White continent is another name for. Options are South America, North America, Antarctica. Correct answer is C, Antarctica. White continent is another name for Antarctica. Third one, continent of Asia is located in. Options are Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. Correct answer is Northern Hemisphere. Continent of Asia is located in Northern Hemisphere. Now we'll move to the fourth one. We have the longest mountain range is. Options are given: the Himalayas, the Andes, the Alaska range. Student, in this question I want to tell you something like, if it is given the longest mountain range in the world, then the answer will be Andes. But it is just asked the longest mountain range. The answer will be Himalayas. If it is asked of world, the answer will be Andes. And if it is asked just like that, the longest mountain range, it will be the Himalaya. So here the answer will be the Himalayas. Once again, I will repeat all the answers. The largest land masses are called continents. White continent is another name for Antarctica. Continent of Asia is located in Northern Hemisphere. The longest mountain range is the Himalayas. Hope everybody has done this exercise. So now let's move on to the next exercise we have. Let's see. Answer the following questions. Name the different landforms on the surface of the earth. Now in this question it is asked that you have to write down the different landforms which are on the earth. So let's see what will be the answer. Some different landforms on the surface of earth are mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts and islands. So these are the important landforms which are on the earth, that are the mountains, plateaus, plains, desert and island. Okay. So now let's move on to the next question we have, and please, while writing the question answers, write in a very neat and clean handwriting. No untidy work should be done in the copy. Second question we have, differentiate between mountains and plateaus. So you have to differentiate between both mountains and plateaus. So first I will discuss about the mountains, then I will discuss about the plateaus. So let's start. Mountains are the natural elevation on the earth's surface. They are the highest landforms, usually found with broad base and conical top with steep sides. For example, the Himalayas. Now, the mountains, they are the natural elevation on the earth's surface and they are the highest landforms usually found with the broad base and conical top. For example, the Himalayas. Okay. The next one we have plateaus. They are the elevated highland with a more or less flat surface on its top. It has a large area on its top and a steep or gentle slope on its sides. For example, the Deccan Plateau in India, the Western Plateau in Australia. So these are the main plateaus. In India it is the Deccan Plateau and in Australia it is the Western Plateaus. So they are the elevated highland with more or less flat surface on its top. It has large area on its top. Okay. Now moving on to the third question we have, write a short paragraph on Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. It covers about 1/3 of the earth. The Pacific Ocean is almost triangular in shape. It is surrounded by Asia and Australia in the west and North America and South America in the east. So it is the world's largest and deepest ocean in the world. It covers 1/3 of the earth and its shape is triangular and it is surrounded by Australia and Asia in the west and North America and South America in the east. Moving on to the fourth question we have, how many continents and oceans are there? Name them. There are 7 continents on the earth: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So these are the 7 continents on the earth. Once again, I will say the name: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Now, the 5 major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. So, these are the 5 major oceans in the world. Now, moving on to the next exercise, we have write true or false. For the wrong statements, we will write false. For the correct statement, we will write true. Antarctica is known as the dark continent. False. The Andes mountain range is the longest range in the world. True. A desert is a dry and barren area of land. True. Lakes can be of fresh water or salt water. True. So first one is false, second one is true, third one is true, fourth one is true. So except first, second, third, fourth are true statements. Now, D exercise we have fill in the blanks. Now we have to fill with the correct words. Number 1, the smallest continent in the world is dash. The smallest continent in the world is Australia. Dash are called tableland. Plateaus are called tableland. Third one, young mountains have dash and dash peaks. Young mountains have high and conical peaks. Dash is a depression on the land surface. Lake is a depression on the land surface. So first answer is Australia, second answer is plateaus, Third answer is high and conical. Fourth answer is lake. Now next exercise we have correctly match column A with column B. Column A options are given plateaus, Southern Ocean, Africa, and ocean named after a country. Column B it is given Nile, Tableland, Indian Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. So we have to correctly match column A with column B. So plateaus, they are the tablelands. Southern Ocean is your Antarctic Ocean. Africa, Nile, an ocean named after a country, Indian Ocean. So first B, second D, third A, fourth C. Once again, first B, second D, third A, fourth C. So dear students, do all the exercises in book and all the question answers in social studies notebook, and please do the work in a very neat and clean handwriting. If you have any queries, any doubt, you can ask me in the online class. So students, stay safe, stay at home, and most important thing, keep studying. Thank you and have a nice day, my dears, little champs.